Hello guys, I'm here with a final review for the Simple Minis Volume 3. Another super cute Simple Mini. I'm going to take you through this baby because it is adorable. And it is baby in absolute cuteness and baby in size. I designed these guys to fit back with your 6x6 pads if you like. If you have a ton of those and you want the perfect mini album to get through those 6x6 pads, these Simple Minis are perfect. However, I do not use 6x6 pads. I love a 12x12 pad. So this is what I used. It's titled Unicorns and Rainbows. And as you can see, it's a die cuts with the View collection. I personally picked mine up at Joann's. So you may be able to find it there or wherever they're carrying this particular collection. So you can probably make 3 of these albums with one collection. Okay. And you'll be able to get the fabulous posable unicorn in there as well. So Simple Minis Volume 3, I'll link you all down below to your purchase options. These are priced for you to pick up and make. All right, these are $10. All right, the tutorial is $10. And for those of you who have seen or have used one of my tutorials, you know that they're good. All right, you will get a lot of bang for your buck. So look at this gorgeous cover here. For those of you who watch me live, I made this cover with you guys during a live class. I'm calling these covers my peekaboo covers. Look at how super cute. So Simple Minis, here's your page, guys. Look at how cute this unicorn. It is posable. You can absolutely tack it down and make it posable with a brad, but I just left mine loose so I can pull it out if I want to and move them around the album if I want to. All right, so look at how cute this is. This paper is adorable. It can't possibly make anything ugly. No matter how you use this paper, it's going to be super, super cute. So lots of room for photos. I designed these pages. I matted these pages a little bit different in every single page assembly so that you get some different ideas with your matting. So very simple matting here, guys, to work back with the whole Simple Minis type of program we have going on here. So a little bit of fancy matting here. I did what I call my off the page style matting, where you instead of cutting that image there or just having the unicorn's head down here, we cut it off the page or off the pocket in this case, and you've got the entire unicorn there, and it's super, super cute. So simple photo mat, or you can jazz up the photo mat and make it a shaker. All right, I recommend you only make a total of 3 of these, 1 per page section. Do not load it up with your shaker photo mats, okay, because it's just going to be too much, guys. All right, that will fit there, and I'll show you where else it will fit. Super cute donut. So there is your sentiment. Very simple matting, super duper simple, but absolutely adorable. So here is your envelope, and you have 3 closure options that I did in this one particular style or in this one album. And this is the cheapest way to go. This is what I call my fancy name, slide and lock mechanism here. But it's a belly band that is placed strategically to slide and keep your envelopes locked, okay, which is really, really smart. All right, you can fit a nice amount of photos in here, or you can make a booklet and just make things interactive. All right, and I did this little piece for this here, and I decided to put the closure afterwards, so now I have to go ahead and mat on top of there. But look at how cute that is, guys. Lots and lots and lots of room for photos. Okay, and just that closes up. You can put 1 in there and 1 in there. I just made 1 of those, but it absolutely fits. Here we've got my tab photo mat, or a double tabbed photo mat, and I finished one of these off in one of the other pockets. I'll show you that there. Okay, and that goes there. So here's some simple matting over here, and made a little tuck space with the rainbow. Here is another fun little piece here. So we've got this envelope here. It's a small piece. I didn't want to make this a a true envelope, so I made it a faux envelope, and it extends. So you get the look and feel of an envelope without having to limit yourself with the photos. All right, so you get a good amount of photos in this piece, and it looks great. You get that feel of an envelope, but not. It's a faux envelope. So love that. Okay, so that is your page assembly. Now we just go through the same pages throughout the album, but with the matting, they look completely different. All right, so I'll take you through that. Look at all of the room you have here for photos, guys. Seriously, a really nice amount of photos for this simple mini. So you've got a pocket here, and I made a little insertion point here as well. I cut a bunch of the donuts out, so I'm gonna stick some of those in there. Look at how cute this is. You can move this, take it out and put it back in there. So I did some signature cuts on the donuts. This is your second closure option. Of course, you can always use a magnet, but if you want to do this works and it looks great. Excuse me. And let's open that up so you can check out the matting. The other one is exactly the same way. All right, so let's close that up. So really, really cute paper. And the album just showcases the paper beautifully. Nice, nice, nice paper action going on here. Look at this, how cute. I should have cut some more photo mats, but I didn't. Tisk, tisk. Oh, don't tell me I glued that down. I made a signature cut. Oh, no, there it is. I made a signature cut here, and I didn't mat it with the black. When you mat it with the black, it's a lot easier to get in. But there have been occasions where I glue the signature cut closed for whatever reason. So you can put a photo mat in there. Same idea, guys, with the twist closure here. Excuse me. So sorry about that. And the faux envelope, which I have to say I am in love with. This is not the last time you're going to see this piece in one of my albums. Loving the faux envelope. And here I did this one up all with photo mats. Okay, so same page, but photo mats. Let's not forget that fabulous little shaker photo mat. And you can make this bigger if you want to. I just chose to do this size. And you can put that this way or the other way, whichever way you want to display it. That closes up. So this is the same envelope again. I flipped the envelope flaps, okay, to so that they're on the inside as opposed to the outside. And here is your closure. All right, so this photo mat is your closure. So it's kind of being held there by tension. All right, and I cut out all sorts of goodies from the paper. And you flip that open like so, and you can put that that photo mat I did in these pockets as well, or you can just put regular photo mats. It really doesn't matter. And again, I ended with the faux envelope once again. Here is the double tab photo mat, okay, and that's all finished up. I got to cut 2 more of these. I just noticed I got some naked tabs there. So it works out really, really, really well. I love the way that these turn out. So if you haven't tried these double mats, guys, it's super simple to do. There is a video in the project folder on how to make these. If you look in the project folder and it's not there yet, it's because I haven't uploaded it, but I will upload it as soon as I get a chance, just to show you how to mat them and how to make this double tab photo mat, which I am in love with. All right, so put those in there. And they also, oh, by the way, they also fit here if you'd like to put one in there. Okay, so look at how cute. So adorable. I hope you're loving the Simple Minis Volume 3. I think it turned out really cute, and I am just totally enjoying making these albums. They go by so quickly, and how quick and easy you can make one of these albums and just get that instant gratification. Look how cute with the tabs. If you don't like your tabs poking out that much, all you have to do is cut this down just slightly smaller and you won't get them poking out so much. They're not poking out the book, but I do love that you can see it through the acetate. All right, so Simple Minis Volume 3. I'll link you down below to your purchase options. Pick it up, guys. $10 for the tutorial only. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.